Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, keep still please. So today I'm going to be doing a fun kind of look. So if you would like to see how I've created it, then please continue watching. So the second that I start a record in a week and someone starts aggressively cutting their grass. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to go in with the shade Raw Sienna first, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to blend it into my crease.
Smoking cookie for my appetite. I don't trust nobody, people talking and be telling lies. We just wanna win and shock them all and catch them by surprise. I was tossed it down until we up and then we all rise. Yeah, but niggas don't stick to the G code.
So now I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to apply that to exactly the same place.
Like I'm Depot, hey, but I like to fade away. I got these diamonds on me, and these bitches all in my face. And you wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race, but you cannot rock with me, cause I was gone on a chase. Nowadays, I'm too cool for.
Now I'm gonna take the shade Real Get, which is like a dark burnt orange shade. I'm just gonna apply that again in the same area.
Life switch lanes, now these hoes act strange, and I lost my grip on the world and bliss.
So I'm just going to go halfway up the lid with this.
I could never even listen to a word that they say. I'm on the west side, that's the best side. By the cliff, smoking blicks, that's the best high. And I got a shawty with the best eyes.
On the top of that, I am going to take the only white that I have, which is Bump from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm just going to apply that right over the top of the concealer.
Hey, but I like to fade away. I got these diamonds on me, and these bitches all in my face. And you wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race, but you cannot rock with me, cause I was gone on a chase.
I'm going to go back in with the Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange and Real Get, just a mixture of the three to blend the light into the rest of the shades. So now I'm going to take the shade Red Ochre, and I'm just going to blend that into the outer corner. Since I don't have any glitter liner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some blue loose glitter, and I'm just going to take my Rimmel London Ink Me eyeliner. I'm just going to do a wing bit by bit, very slowly, and just before the liner dries, I'm going to stick some of the blue glitter on.
So fly in my bed, left side sway, right side sway. I think this girl on the molly, either that or she a party girl. I think this girl up for Molly. Look how you shaking your body, girl. Damn, I'm too drunk to be tripping. Girl, I'm on plenty of liquor. Girl, I bought all of my niggas. Hope you don't plenty your bitches. You need to get on the phone. Tell them no mamas come down. She said I'm loving your sound. Baby, I wanna be down. She said I'm trying to get with you. I wanna give you the business. She said my man can't fuck with you. So I'm about to make it official. Yeah. I'm in my bag. Your man in the cat, that's why he mad.
Okay, so I'm kind of happy with that now. So I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using Gosh Volume Serum Mascara. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to take a mixture again of Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange and Real Get, and Red Ochre. And I'm just going to blend all of those along the bottom. And now I'm going to apply a black pencil liner to my waterline. While I'm waiting for the mascara to dry, I'm going to apply some highlight to my inner corners and brow bones. Use the shade Crystal from the Voss Holy Grail palette. I'm going to be using my Jasminnneamy lashes, and I'm going to be using the Fluttershy ones. Usually I'd use some thick lengthy lashes, but with this look I'm kind of wanting the liner to be the main focus, so I'm just going to be doing these. So that is the finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one.